Alright, so now I want to go over the course dates and the course pace, especially since this is only an 8-week course. I want you guys to get very familiar with these dates. Like I said, this document is on LoudCloud. The dates have been updated with what I believe are the correct dates. I don't think there's any breaks this semester. But I want you guys to understand what's going on, so I'm going to go over it with you just so you know exactly what's going on each week. We are currently in week 1, as long as you're watching this video within the first week of the course. We've done, there's a video on the syllabus review and also clarification of expectations. During this week, you'll be getting started by doing chapters 1, which is the intro to HRM, which, like I said, HRM is human resources management, and chapter 2, opportunity in the law. Also note on here that quiz 1 is due this week. So that means that quiz 1, and if there's any discussion boards, those will all be due by the end of the week, which is March 24th, which is this coming Saturday. Following Saturday, starting the next day, which would be Sunday, starts week 2. Week 2 will involve lesson 2 and lesson 3. Lesson 2 is chapter 3, quiz 2, and test 1. Test 1 will be over chapters 1, 2, and 3. And then lesson 3 contains chapters 4 and chapter 5 with quiz 3. So as you'll notice, there's going to be some weeks where you're going to have quite a bit going on. Such as week 2, you're going to have a quiz, a test, and also another quiz, and then also discussion boards in between based on some of these chapters. So, like I was saying before, make sure that you don't get behind because it's going to be very easy to start slipping for getting all of this stuff done. Followed by week 3, which is lessons 4 and 5, which includes chapters 6, 7, and 8. Also notice here there is quiz 4, test 2, and quiz 5. So this is a test and a test 2 weeks in a row. That's probably not going to be abnormal, just because this is such fast-paced. Week 4 will be lesson 6 and final project planning. Lesson 6 includes chapters 9 and 10, quiz 6, and test 3. And then also the final project proposal will be due at the end of week 4. I will give you more information at that on a later date. Don't worry about it right now. I just want to point it out that it will be due by the end of week 4. So I just wanted to give you guys a brief overview. This is only the first 4 weeks that I went over. It follows pretty much the same pattern for the rest of the time. Make sure that you're paying attention to this document because this is going to make sure that you're on pace, that you're getting every chapter that you need, every quiz that's due, and continue to keep on the pace to keep up. I don't want anybody to get confused whenever they see lesson 2 and lesson 3 and think that's only chapters 2 and 3. So make sure you're looking at what's included in this third column. That way you're absolutely sure you know exactly what's going on with each chapter or with each week. All right, if anybody has any questions, let me know. Thanks.